30 minutes, transform your headlights from this to brand new and sparkly. Welcome to below average DIY. I picked up this restoration kit from AutoZone for 30 bones, which comes with all that you'll need, assuming you have a drill and some towels. In the box, you'll get sandpaper, polish, and sealer, as well as the mini hand tools you'll need to use and apply them. Start by taping off the headlights. More on this later when I get to my lessons learned. As the Greeks might do, throw some Windex on it at the start for good luck. Take the 1000 grit sandpaper and attach it to the hand sander supplied in the kit. Dump some water on the sandpaper to make sure the sanding surface is wet, and then some in the elbow grease. You don't need to press very hard during this. Once the surface is all scuffed up, take a wet towel and wipe her off. To be clear, the surface should not be clear at this point. Toss the 1000 grit sandpaper in your local landfill because it's time to upgrade to the 3000 grit. Same process again, keeping the surface wet throughout. The headlight will still not be in good shape at this point, even after wiping it off, but fear not. Attach the polishing pad to the drill and start squirting on that mayo. I had plenty left over, so don't worry about running out. Then go to town with the drill, reapplying more polish if you start to go dry throughout the application. Give her a good wipe down. You'll want to remove all the polish from the surface before the next step. The Greek approach again will be helpful. At this point, your headlights should be looking nice and spiffy. Apply the sealant from the small bottle using long, smooth strokes. Again, I had plenty left over afterwards as it didn't take much product to coat the surface. Finally, we'll strip the tape off before we get to the big reveal. But first, I'll share one mistake I made which has to do with the tape job. Runoff from the wet sanding process squeaked its way in between the headlight surface and the rubber behind it. It wasn't very easy to clean up after the fact and kept the initial outcome from looking flawless. Next time, instead of taping off the edge of the metal body, I'd tape even closer to the headlight and try to wedge the tape in between the plastic and the rubber behind it. Overall, I'm super impressed with how easy it was to use this kit. $30 in 30 minutes went pretty far. Giving this chariot a new pair of shades was more than worth the time and money to me. I hope this video helps you out. Follow my channel for more DIY content and have a great day.